Honey, that's my friend Jason. Can you let him in? Hey, yo, Jason, I'm just gonna get me a shower, man. I'll be out with you in a second.
Alright. Yeah, man. You alright though, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm doing pretty good, man. I'll see you in a minute, man.
No worries, man. No worries.
Hey, Jason, what's the name of that song we were playing last week in the car, man? With them three guys, what they call three amigos? Yeah. It's, what they call? The Migos, man. Not those three amigos. Yeah, I talk about, man. Yeah, man, the song named Bad and Boujee. Yeah, that's the one. Bad and Boujee. I like that song, man. That's an amazing song right there. Bad and Boujee. Cooking up the dope with the Uzi. My guys, they so savage and ruthless. We got 30s and 100 round two. Hey, I love that jam. Jason, right there, is that Frank singing?
Yep.
Bougie. Oh my God. Cooking up the dope with Honey, the Uzi. You're embarrassing yourself again. Stop it. So savage and oh my God. We got 30s and 120 rounds too.